In North America, there are over 58 million people with limited hand mobility. For these people, cerebral palsy, Parkinson's disease, tremors, etc., make independent feeding difficult. Food might fall off due to a limited range of motion or due to shaking. Currently, there are two popular solutions on the market, the Elispoon and Liftware. The Elispoon uses a two-axis counterweight system to keep the food balanced regardless of tilting or twisting of the user's hand. On the other hand, the Liftware spoon is electronic and relies on sensors to keep the spoon level, but it has to be recharged about every 3 meals. Both of these spoons are very expensive, and they are frequently out of stock. The Eli spoon costs $94 and Liftware Level costs $195 to get started. Our spoon, on the other hand, costs only $2.79 to manufacture. It does not need to be charged at all. We tested our design with one of our classmates who normally uses the Eli spoon. According to the professionals who work with her, she still needs assistance to be able to use the Eli spoon, especially while trying to scoop up pieces of food, and that's even after they put the bowl on an incline to help with the scooping. Consequently, she ends up being fatigued, eating slowly, eating only about half a meal by the time that her 45-minute lunch break is over. The day we brought in our spoon, though, she was all smiles. The counterweight arms on our spoon act as a stopper and help her scoop up the food, even from a bowl laying flat on the table, instead of the incline that she needs for the Eli spoon. With our model, she was able to finish lunch in about 25 minutes, compared to her usual 45 minutes. She could eat independently and did not require external support like she normally does. She ate more, was less fatigued, and was in general happier. You can also get your own self-stabilizing spoon. Here is the link and QR code to our Thingiverse file. Here, you can get the STL files to 3D print. There is also a Google Doc with the instructions on how to assemble the spoon. You can also contact me at this email address with any questions. There is no cost to download the files or access the instructions. The materials themselves cost only about $3, so you can eat independently and happily for a fraction of the cost of market alternatives. Thanks for watching!